As you can see, your heart chakra is green. Heart chakra clearing and repair. Imagine a double green funnel that is symbolizing your heart chakra. This is the image you will be using to symbolize your heart chakra. Step 1. Clear entities and attachments. Ask yourself if there are any entities or attachments targeting your heart chakra. You may see images of critters or strange things. Don't be freaked. Just ask your angels to please clear them, and you will notice that they disappear. Please, angels, clear any entities or attachments from my heart chakra, front, center, back, that are targeting, that are inside, that are around. Please clear them. Thank you. Step 2. Clearing energetic cords. Ask yourself if you have any cords on your heart chakra while imagining your green funnel. If you see any rope or vine-like cords, dissolve them with golden healing light. If they don't clear easily, ask for help from your angels. You can use Reiki, golden healing light. You can ask your angels for help. You could also clear these manually, just around your chest area, just run your hands, see if you feel any density and energy, and pull them out. And once you pull them out, if you feel like you got one, just ask your angels to please take it for you. There we go. Step 3. Clear emotional energy blocks. Ask if you have any energy blocks in your heart chakra. They may present as dark spots or chunks of energy. Be sure to check the inside of your funnel as well. And you'll direct golden healing light on energy blocks to dissolve, Reiki or golden healing light. And just let them dissolve. You might notice if you do this often that one day you find a lot and another day you don't find that much, or one day you think you've cleared a lot but then you go back and you clear more. That's because your energy is revealing to you what you're ready to clear in any given time. So you're not going to see it all at once. You're only going to see what you're at readiness to release. There we go. Step 4, repair damage to your chakra. Ask if you have any damage to your heart chakra. Examine your green funnel for spots that look smashed, torn, punctured. Direct golden healing light on these areas or Reiki and allow them to reform. So we're just going to introduce the golden healing light and the Reiki, cleaning them off. Letting the chakra reform on its own. Just telling your chakra it can reform. You can also ask your angels for help. Angels, please help. That's a smashed part of the chakra. Need the angel to help. Much better. There we go. And step 5, calibrate. Now that you have cleared and repaired your heart chakra, it is time to activate and elevate. Give it a good wash with golden healing energy and change the color of green to the one you feel is best for you at this time. There you go. Just soak your whole green funnel in that golden healing light, Reiki, inside, outside. Make sure you get the inside. You know, there can be damage to the inside of the funnel and in the very center, and just little scratches. You just like wash them out with that golden healing light, and it will reform. There we go. And go ahead and give it some glow. Beautiful. Good job. You just cleared and repaired your heart chakra.